Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Global uncertainty has made gold shine brighter, despite gold exchange-traded funds registering $1.7 billion of outflows in June, the second consecutive month of outflows, but down from the $3.1 billion seen in May. World stocks have lost over $20 trillion in value this year since January peaks, and the sharp slide echoes the hit to global financial markets early in 2020 on pandemic-driven recession worries. The euro was pinned at a 20-year low, licking its wounds at the end of its worst week in 2 months as investors braced for Europe to tip into recession, while markets awaited US jobs data to set the next direction for the dollar. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal, going against our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 3.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Japan's machine tool orders will be released at 0600 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23 hours and 1 minute GMT. Italy's retail sales at 0800 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 0 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's Financial Review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.